If you want to add extra baggage in KLM Airlines, then this video is for you. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add extra baggage in KLM Airlines. First, you have to go to the klm.com. This is the official website of KLM Airlines. Now, you can log into your KLM account if you have one. Now, you have to choose the flight type like road trip, one way or multi-city. Choose one of these as your flight. Now I'm going to choose one way, and here you need to add your departure location and a destination. Then choose a date, available date, then choose the number of people you want to add to this flight, then choose the class, then click for search flights. It will now show you the flights available on this date. Now here you can see the flights are available with the details and the pricing. As you can see, I have a long list of flights that are available on this date. Choose one of these you like, then you will find some packages available for you. Choose one of these. I'm going to choose this, and then check the flight details again, then click on continue to passenger details. Now you have to enter your personal details. They require your title, just like here, then your first name, your last name, and the date of birth. Then click on continue, and here you need to enter a contact details like country code, enter your telephone number and the email address you have. Then click on this to checkbox. Then you have to click on continue button. Then you can join them or create a new account with the provided information. Now you can select that if you are traveling for business. If so, then click on yes, and you have to enter your sky bonus number or the contract name. Then if not, then select no, then click on continue. From this payment section, you can find a note at the top of your screen that you will be able to purchase extra option after you have booked your ticket. That means when you pay for this ticket and book the flight, then you can purchase extra options like extra seat or extra baggage from online or from airport. And from here you can view all the trip details, the takeoff time, you can see the probable landing time, and the about the company, and about your ticket, about your class, and also the billing information. Scroll down and you can add discount code here if you have. Then you can pay the cost with PayPal and credit card. You just need to add your credit card details or your PayPal account number. If you want to pay with your credit card, then enter your credit card number, your expiry date, and CVV. That's how you can add your credit card, and then you can pay the cost with your credit card directly. Then click on complete purchase. After completing the purchase, you will find a confirmation mail on your email or phone number. Then you can find a option about the extras. There you can purchase a extra seat, and right down of the seats option you will find the extra baggage option. Click on this baggage option and you can purchase extra baggage, or then you can add the extra baggage in your flight. The cost of extra baggage that you have added also included with your whole billing. Also you can pay the bill with your credit card or PayPal account. You can also calculate your extra baggage price from here. You just enter departure and destination location, then enter class and enter the date, then show allowance. Then you can find the cost of your extra baggage according to the flight. But there is some rules about the extra baggage. You must be alert about these rules. Here they mention that unfortunately they cannot transfer the items listed below. Please contact a third-party shipping company to help you with transportation. First, item that weight more than 32 kg, item larger than 300 centimeter length plus weight plus height, more than 10 items to checked baggage per passengers, then fragile baggage. That means you have to carry less than 32 kg of weight, then your baggage should be less than 30 centimeter in length, width and height measurement, and also you can carry maximum 10 items for per passengers. Here you can see each passenger can bring up to 10 baggage items. That means you can only carry 10 baggage extra, including additional baggage items. Depending on the aircraft, the number of items allowed may vary. Please contact the KLM's customer contact center if you need to travel with more than 3 baggage per person. Depending on how full our flights are, we will let you know if you qualify for an exceptional clearance. Now from here, how can you pay for extra baggage? You can buy extra baggage allowance online or at the airport. Here, just I mentioned earlier in this video, you can pay for it after you buy the ticket of the flight. Also, you can pay with your PayPal account and your credit card directly. Do you already know you need to bring more baggage than included in your ticket? Make sure to buy the extra allowance online at least 24 hours before departure. That's when you get the best rates. And there you have it. Now you can add extra baggage in KLM Airlines. You just need to first buy a ticket, then you can add extra baggage in your flight. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.